There you are, searching for the best TikTok quotes for that next travel reel, right? Well, we understand that choosing the right quotes for your videos and posts can be a task at times. So many options to choose from. Many a time you just might feel clueless and copy-paste someone else's captions for your own content. But that's not the desirable way, right? Especially if you seek to level up your engagement metrics, follower interaction, and of course, virality. We understand that hassle and want you to reach your desired engagement and follower count goal you have set for yourself, whether as a brand or influencer. Hence, we have not only let out 14 different genres of over 200 trending TikTok quotes for you to choose from, but also steps for crafting your own quotes to further level up your TikTok game. So stay until the end to choose the right quote from the get-go or learn how to craft your own effortlessly. 2024 has been a year of incredible creativity and trends on TikTok, and these trending quotes reflect the spirit of this dynamic platform. From catchy catchphrases to memorable song lyrics, these TikTok quotes have resonated with millions of users, fueling viral challenges, dances, and relatable content. So go ahead and incorporate the trendiest quotes of the year to bomb your TikTok posts and see your likes and hearts get up. I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, savage by Megan Thee Stallion. Renegade, Renegade, Lottery by K Camp. Coffee, because adulting is hard.